Hello. May I speak with Mr. Smith, please?
I'd like to speak to the person in charge of. Is this a good time to call?
Sorry to trouble you, is Mr. Smith available? Sorry we were cut off.
How can I help you?
Who's speaking, please?
Hold on the line.
One moment, please. May I ask who's calling, please? I am trying to connect you.
Thank you for holding.
I'll put you through to Mr. Smith. The line is busy.
I'm sorry, there's no reply.
Mr. Smith is in a meeting. Mr. Smith is on the phone. Mr. Smith is unavailable right now.
He's not in the office. He's on holiday all this week.
Can you call back later? May I take a message? May I have your name and your phone number, please?
I'll tell him you called. He'll return your call. You dialed the wrong number. It's a bit crackly.
It's a really bad line.
I didn't catch that.
Sorry, I'm having a little trouble hearing.
Could you repeat, please? I put you on speakerphone.
One moment, please.
I'm putting you on. I'm putting you on hold.
The line is busy.
There's no reply from this extension.
We were disconnected.